Today, I'm going to show you a quick way to make a cute polymer bird. My class is using these to glue onto baby clothespins and be part of a group auction project. Polymer clay is a type of clay made basically from plastic. Instead of being found in the earth, polymer clay is made from resins and chemicals and usually mixed with oils instead of water. This piece has been put through a clay conditioning machine already and is at its thickest setting. I made several bird tracers off of pictures I found on the internet. Choose a bird you like that will fit twice on your piece of clay. Gently trace the tracer with a needle or needle tool. You should just barely be scratching the surface. Flip the bird over and trace it again. I am working on a piece of laminating plastic. This keeps the sides of the bird nice and smooth, and if it sticks, it makes it easy to peel off later. With a knife tool or plastic knife, cut out your bird shapes very carefully. Keep them stuck to the plastic. We are going to stick the two birds together like a sandwich with no filling. First, make sure you traced the bird facing an opposite direction. Second, on one bird, make hash marks going horizontal with the needle tool. Third, on the other bird, make hash marks going vertical. Now stick the two birds together. Use your fingertips or a tool to smooth the edges. We want our bird to be a little thicker, so we are sticking both pieces together. Next, we are using a color scheme to decorate our birds. That means everyone in our class is using the same colors so that when our birds are all together, they will match. You can add a few fun details to your birds, like a beak. I rolled a sphere, then flattened it, then used a tracer to make the beak the right size. I am also rolling coils to make colors on my tail feathers. I am defining the wing with another coil, and even using the end of my tool to create texture. Finally, I write my name on the plastic sheet. My bird is ready for the oven. Once these are baked, they will get a baby clothespin glued to the back. Good luck! Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to click like and hit subscribe below. Thanks!